Tracking historical HVAC equipment costs can save you time and money on future estimates and purchases by providing valuable insights on cost and easy-to-read comparable data like cost per ton or cost per CFM. Here's why tracking is important for estimators and purchasing agents. But first ask yourself, how many people in your office can tell you how much they're paying per ton or CFM for all 36 pieces of equipment in this database? Accurate cost estimates and informed budgeting. With a database of historical equipment cost, you can accurately estimate the budget required for future HVAC projects based on past purchases or vendor quotes. Historical cost data allows you to create more realistic and well-informed budgets. This can be accomplished with the use of a tracking spreadsheet, such as that created by the MEP Academy for this purpose. The spreadsheet tracks the cost of 36 different types of HVAC equipment, from air conditioners to VRF systems. Looking at the air conditioners, there are parameters that let us know immediately how much per ton was spent or quoted for a particular AC unit. The information is sortable to allow for quick retrieval of any type of AC unit. Coils of various types such as DX, chilled water, and heating hot water are easily sorted to determine how much should be paid per coil type per square feet. Condensers are tracked for their cost per ton. 36 different types of HVAC equipment are easily tracked and used for budgeting new projects or for purchasing negotiations. Vendor negotiations. Armed with historical cost information, you can negotiate better deals with HVAC equipment suppliers. You have a reference point to discuss pricing and ensure you're getting fair rates. Based on previous purchases or supplier quotes, you can quickly know what you should be paying based on what you paid for similar equipment and avoid overpaying for new purchases. Without historical data, you might unknowingly pay more than necessary for HVAC equipment. Comparing current prices to historical average prevents overpaying for similar equipment. Comparative analysis using metrics. Analyzing historical data helps you identify trends in equipment cost over time. This information allows you to make informed decisions about the best manufacturer to purchase based on their various equipment options. Using metrics like cost per ton or cost per CFM or any of the other metrics makes comparable analysis super fast and easy. I'll leave a link in the description below if you would like to get a copy of this spreadsheet so that you can begin tracking your HVAC equipment cost. This will raise your professionalism to the next level. Once again, ask yourself, how many people in your office can tell you what they're paying per ton or CFM for the 36 different pieces of equipment in this spreadsheet? Once you start entering the data, you'll quickly spot prices that are outside the norm. If you like that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.